beautiful. The scale of this place is just massive. The original lobby clock. What is this? This place is more than a renovation. It's definitely like an archaeological dig, and I just find it very cool. So we are here today on a whim. We were just in town and decided we need to go somewhere new. And you know, there's this little place called Michigan Central Station. So we're gonna go in and see what all the fuss is about. Hi.
Hey, haven't been here in a while.
Yeah, I know. Since before they closed it down to do the renovations, right?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Can't wait to see what's like inside.
Those geese are really excited too. The last time we were here was before 2020. They were renovating everything. They had a kickoff party where they were getting ready to add all the stores, etc. And I'm excited to see what it looks like now. Hi. So this is Yellow Light. I've been hearing all about this. It's a donut shop, and I believe they have coffee too. People come here to the train station, I think, just to get the donuts. I've heard good things, so we'll have to stop by on our way out. Wow, this is beautiful. They also offer tours here. You have to sign up, I believe, ahead of time because they do fill up. We haven't been on one yet, but I plan on taking one to learn a little bit more about the history behind the renovations. It's wild the amount of things they've added and changed. Wow, the scale of this place is just massive. This is the room, I believe, that the event was in last time. They had projection displays, live graffiti art, and now it's polished as if it were brand new. It's absolutely beautiful in here. And over here, it looks like there's a gift shop in what looks like maybe it was the old ticket taking booths. How cool that it's set up like this in here. We're definitely gonna take a look around. So I did find out that that store is in what used to be the ticket taking station, which obviously it looks like it, but it's really cool how they kind of kept the essence of that in the design. So when you go through the store, you go through the back, there's like this museum area that has a lot of artifacts that were found in the train station during the renovation and throughout the years. There's castings and molds of designs they used to remake some of the pieces when they did the renovation. And you don't need a tour to come in here. You just come during the open hours, which right now are until 5 p.m. on most days. We're here at like 4 p.m. and it's pretty crowded on a Sunday. This is a piece of the original lobby clock that was above the ticket taking station. And it used to hang right there. My favorite is over here. It's actually like the lost and found booth, and it has items like an old baseball, a pair of women's shoes that was found at the ticket counter. It's got the ledger for the lost and found. So we've got a photo book, drink cup, fox fur, glasses, lady's felt hat. I wonder if any of these people ever found their things. I can't believe all of this stuff was just sitting here for years and they were able to recover it. This place is more than a renovation. It's definitely like an archaeological dig, and I just find it very cool. How cute. Look at this magazine cover. Somebody sitting and waiting on their train could have been reading that. Why is there a little tractor here? Or is that like a Zamboni? What is this? A tow tractor for luggage or mail. Like the first Gator. Now Ford owns this building. They bought it several years ago and did the renovation. And in this lobby area, it looks like they have some things set up for a banquet, but they also have some cars, maybe like concept cars. And again, this space right here doesn't cost anything, no tickets needed. You can just come in and browse and learn a little bit of history about Michigan Central.
Our next stop was Neighbor Folk, or Neighbor X Folk. Anyway, a pretty little sundry from the people who run the fabulous James Beard-nominated Folk Cafe in Corktown. This space was filled with all kinds of gifts, novelties, unique souvenirs, and a lot of them were made in Michigan and Detroit. I actually picked up a pin here from one of my favorite Detroit brands, City Bird, because I like the design better than the one in the official Michigan Central store. Neighbor Folk also had these complimentary postcards, which of course I had to snag because I cannot bring myself to turn down anything that is both free and beautiful. I mean, can you blame me?
Okay, so that was fun. We're headed to Yellow Light now, which is the donut place that everybody's been talking about. They have another location across Detroit, but this is the one that has just been really popping off. They're getting ready to close up in a little bit, so we have to hurry and go while they're still open because I will regret it if we don't. Feels very train station-y in here too. It's kind of like, reminds me of like in a bigger city in a really busy place, like if you go to Chicago or something and you just duck in somewhere for a coffee or whatnot. That was so much fun. I really recommend coming by here if you have an hour or two on the weekend especially. So I double checked and they do have tours with a third party. I'll put that in the descriptions. And they typically book up maybe a few weeks ahead of time. So you'll want to make sure you get on the list and have it planned out. Even if you don't have a tour, I think it's definitely worth coming because you can learn so much about this place and see a little bit of Detroit history and see just kind of like why people fell in love with this city and why it continues to be such a creative hub for everybody. Let me know in the comments if you've been here before. Let me know if you want any other places reviewed in Detroit. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. And I will be back hopefully soon with a tour of Michigan Central Station because we got to learn more about this place. It's spectacular. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, the chocolate smells really good. Smell it out of the bag. All right, girl, you ready to go home?
Yeah, that's what I thought.